Welcome. If you want to change lock method on your Motorola Moto Z, open settings, scroll down and enter security and location. And as you can see, currently it's set up on this swipe, but we can change it for the pattern. Now, so draw our pattern, continue and draw it again to confirm. And also there's the section with notifications, so we can just set up it with the don't show, hide, or just show them all like it's set up on the default. I just don't want to touch it and don't want to do this with this, and I don't want just to change it. And now we can just set up the fingerprint. So click on the next. Now we have to input our pattern, and the sensor is here. Click on the next, and right now we have to lift our smartphone and put the finger here. So when you feel the vibration coming through this sensor, just lift your finger and put him again. Okay, as you can see, the fingerprint has been added. And right now, when we are going to lock our screen and try to unlock, we can do this with our fingerprint. Yeah, like this. Or with the pattern that we draw before. And this is how you change the lock method on your Motorola Moto Z. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up, comments and subscribe to our channel.